Homeowners across the country are facing a crisis, skyrocketing insurance premiums or outright policy non-renewals, even in areas considered low risk. Daybreak's Jeremy Jenkins and Consumer Reports explains why this happens and what to do if your premium goes through the roof.
Without warning, millions of people are finding out their insurance policies are about to cost significantly more or be canceled outright. That's what happened to Kenyatta Twine.
In August, I got an email saying that my insurance was canceled. I said, oh my gosh, what am I going to do?
You might think this is only happening in places with hurricanes or wildfires, but that's not the case. Across the country, insurers are more aggressively canceling policies or jacking up the rates. A recent Consumer Reports survey found that 83% of long-term policyholders have seen their rates increase over the last 5 years.
When this happens, homeowners may be forced to make trade-offs, like buying substantially reduced coverage or even going without coverage.
Insurance industry experts point to several factors driving these changes. Building costs are through the roof, up to 40% over the last 4 years. Mother Nature isn't helping either. Last year alone, weather disasters cost insurance companies $93 billion.
There's no place to hide. You'll still feel this in your wallet, even if you never see a hurricane or a wildfire. And in fact, rates have risen around 34% across the U.S. between 2018 and 2023.
So what can you do if your insurance is canceled? First off, contact your insurer or broker to find out why your policy isn't being renewed. At the same time, start shopping around for a new policy. Consider using a local independent insurance agent or broker who works with multiple insurers. They might know about smaller companies in your state or area. And if you can't find a private plan, there's something called fair access to insurance requirements or FAIR plans, which are offered in nearly 36 states.
This type of plan should be considered a last resort. It's not cheap and it doesn't cover everything, but it is better than having no insurance.
As for Kenyatta, she was able to find a new insurance company with a little help from CR.
I had looked at Consumer Reports magazines, and there was an article about insurance. I've looked at the top ones, and then now I have insurance and no problems.
I'm Jeremy Jenkins for Wish TV, wishtv.com, or follow us on Facebook for updates.
Another tip if you get that cancellation notice, Consumer Reports says to immediately call your insurance company and ask for more time. While they're not required to give you an extension, they might provide an extra 30 or even 60 days if you just ask.